Attach the receiver to the socket. Attach the hairy side of the Velcro strap to the wall or door. Attach the hooked side of the Velcro strap to the transmitter. Attach the transmitter to the wall. Press and hold the volume button here. A ding and the receiver light blinks. Press the trigger within 5 seconds and trigger the indicator light to flash. Touch the trigger again to make sure it's paired on. Press and hold the volume button. Hear a ding and the receiver light blinks. Press forward or backward to select your favorite ringtone. Touch trigger pairing successful. Touch the trigger again to make sure it's paired on. Remove the transmitter from the wall. Remove the back cover of the transmitter by unscrewing the screws with a screwdriver. Unscrew the internal screws to remove the panel. Push the battery out with a screwdriver. Install the CR button cell into the battery slot, paying attention to the positive and negative terminals. Press and hold the backward button on the receiver for 5 seconds until it makes a ding sound and the receiver indicator flashes. All transmitters paired before is cleared, and the ringtone returns to default ding-dong. After clearing all paired transmitters, the receiver will enter the pairing mode automatically. Once you press any transmitter, it will auto-pairing.